We're Lindsay and Kerry Clare. I'm Kerry Clare, and we've had our company Clare Design since 1979.
Well, we've been fortunate to be involved in a variety of projects. We started off doing small houses and alterations like a lot of young architects do. We were fortunate enough to be invited to Sydney about 1998 to act as design directors for the government architect, and that enabled us to get involved in a range of public buildings, which we pursued for 10 years in Sydney through the firm of Architectus. And then after that we went back to our last 4 or 5 years in our own practice, and one of the public projects we worked on was the new library at the Dock in Melbourne. You could regard the building, I suppose, as a prototype, in that it's the first exposed timber public building of this type in Australia.
Well, we were very pleased to be involved in the library project because of the construction method, and not only to use it for the first time, but to learn from that, because I think it has a very big future. The materials are the aesthetic, and they're also the durability and the tactility. All those sort of things come together.
I think it's something deep, in the sense that it's one of those timeless materials. I mean, people love stone and timber. They're something that goes back a long way in the human psyche, perhaps.
So in a way, we rely on that knowledge that we already have, but certainly Wood Solutions is the go-to group these days for all of that information. I think they're fantastic, and I also know that there's a lot of new technologies coming out, and if you go to Wood Solutions, you can work with them. They'll tell you who to talk to, and they'll help you develop your project along the best way and the most environmental and sensible way. Our background is very firmly in producing buildings that have an environmental ethic to them, and that's why timber is so important to us, because it is renewable, and we think that with new technologies it is going to be the future of construction.